Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely 2021 Audi GT e-tron. So how the system works is customer just jumps in the vehicle, starts it up, inserts his code. On here we've just done something very basic for video purposes. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and select a gear, okay? So we can reverse, okay? And obviously drive away if we need to. Okay, now if someone was to program this key or do a relay attack and jump in and try and start it and drive away and select a gear, it would just go crazy. In other words, it won't allow you to move the car. All error codes will come up and you won't be able to move it. So let's just show you that now. So someone's cloned your key, jumped in, started the vehicle up. As soon as I select a gear, it just won't let me move it, okay? See, I just can't move it. It's coming up with the error codes everywhere. It's just rolling back while it's in drive, see? So I can't move it. So now every time the customer jumps in the car, as I said, ignition on, start the vehicle, insert your code and go through your push sequence. So let's just clear the code so we just know that obviously we're going to do a correct start now. So main ignition on, insert your code. Sorry, start again, I've used the wrong button as the code. So start the vehicle. Insert your code, 1, 2, 3, get your melody, there you go, select your gear, and now you're back on, okay? Also, we have the facility that you can pair it to your phone, so we've downloaded an app called Starline Key. So let's just turn on Bluetooth, so you can see it working in this mode, okay? Let's just go back into it now. You'll see shortly, we'll get a little green circle around it. I don't know if you can see there. So now really simple. Just start the vehicle up. There you go, select your gear straight away. You've heard the disarm melody and you can drive away, okay? Really simple, really straightforward. Also, when the customer wants to take it for a service, this is also straightforward. And the way he would do that is just put his finger on the key when the Bluetooth is within range, wait for it to go to amber, let go, you get 2 bleeps. This is now a normal car, so you can drive it around. Obviously, as you can see now, I can just start it up and drive the vehicle. Okay, no disarm melody, straightforward. Okay, also when he gets it back, just finger on the key, hold it again till he gets his disarm, or should I say, goes to green, double bleep out of valid mode. So if I now turn on the ignition, you'll hear it disarm. There you go, system's disarmed, and he can then drive it. Okay. Really clever, really straightforward. Okay, really simple. Also, if you wanted to change the code, this is also straightforward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off Bluetooth again, and I'm going to show you by buttons. Okay, let's turn Bluetooth off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the code, and on here you can use any of these buttons in whatever configuration you like, and some of the steering wheel buttons, but on these Audis, the buttons on the steering wheel got a slight delay, so I wouldn't recommend. So now let's put the brake on. Let's just turn the ignition on without starting it. So ignition on, disarm the system, 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start button off, then back on, we get 5 bleeps. And then change the code. So I'm just going to go here for now, but I can go top, bottom, whatever, any of these 4, but I'm going to do just basic one. So 1, 2, 3. Notice we're getting a bleep as we press it, which means the button is on the network and we can use it. We're just going to wait for confirmation now. There you go. Let's try the code again. So 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. Confirmation. There you go. That's the new code now learnt. Okay. So now if I give it about 10 seconds and we'll try the new code. So as I said, this is the Starline i96 on this brand new 2021 GT e-tron Audi. Okay, so let's just turn on the ignition now. We can start it and select a gear, but we're not going to. I'm just going to turn the ignition on. So ignition on, try the old code. No confirmation, so start button off, then back on again. And try the new code. 1, 2, 3. Start the vehicle. Select a gear. And now we're going again, okay? Really simple, really straightforward. My name's Otto, company called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.